Hello, SOL and SORP scholars. It's me, Magister Beck. And for this week, week 28, we are going to just emphasize, some basketball skills. Because last week on campus, we practiced basketball dribbling. And this week, week 28 on campus, we're going to practice passing. So what we did last week is we had a cone. I have a red Solo cup. It's on the ground. That's the person that's defending you. We just practiced dribbling 5 times around the cone with our right hand, 5 times around the cone with our left hand. And when we're doing it with our right hand, we want the cone to our hip. So if the cone is the defender, or in my case, the red Solo cup, I want that person on the outside of me. So if I'm going 5 times around, I'm going to keep the ball as far away from the cone or the defender as possible. So 5 times, and then on campus we did 5 times with the left hand. And again, the ball's on the outside, so it's the ball, me, the cone, or the defender. And then we practice doing crossovers, and then we practice going in between the legs, doing maybe like a figure 8 drill between the legs. And then this week we're going to practice like chest passes and bounce passes. And do a chest pass. The ball is here at your chest level, and you step forward and chest pass like this. So your hands go out and aim at the person you're passing it to. And for the bounce pass, it's the same concept. You step forward and you just bounce it on the ground. So let's say my partner is 10 feet away. Maybe I'd hit the ground at 7 feet. So I don't want to hit the ground. If it's 10 feet, I don't want to hit the ground halfway. I want to hit the ground 3/4 of the way. So when it bounces right up to their body. Does that make sense? You don't want it to bounce. You don't want to hit the ground closer to me than them, because then it won't make it to them, if that makes sense. So that's what we're going to do this week on campus, practicing chest passes and the bounce pass. So you step forward, throw it at the ground, and it goes right to the person in the person's hands. So for this week, if you scholars could practice dribbling with your right hand, left hand, maybe some crossover, maybe between the legs, and then practice with a partner, brother, sister, mom, dad, doing chest passes and bounce passes. And that's what I'd like you guys, or Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, would like you guys to do this week for week 28. Practice on your basketball skills. And if you have a hoop, try shooting some baskets, guys. Do some layups and jump shots. Hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll be seeing you guys soon, hopefully. Talk to you guys later.